Top of the morning, guys. I haven't been on a video talking about credit lately because I've been busy submitting disputes for my clients. Listen here, I am dropping a last final flash sale for the first 6 months of 2024. 5/21 is my birthday. I will be dropping a flash sale for credit for $521. You will pay your $110 consultation fee up front, and you will have 5 negative account disputes disputed across all 3 bureaus, personal information cleanup across all 3 bureaus for $521. 521. It will be dropping on Friday. Let's go.